Hello Hungry fam, I'm Akansha and welcome to our channel. Before starting the video, like, share and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also click on the bell icon to get all the post notifications. Look what we have got here. Yes, it's the silver play button. I received it yesterday and since then I was dying to open it, but I was like, nay, let's open it up with you all. So let's go. I've seen a lot of YouTubers unboxing this and honestly it was a dream for me. I never thought I ever will, but here we are today. I'm actually speechless and I have a very weird feeling, but ठीक है, let's open it. Okay, I forgot about this. We also have a letter here from the CEO of YouTube. I know तुम लोग ने बहुत बार ये देखा रहेगा, so I'm not going to read the whole thing, but it's kind of a special feeling, so I'll keep that aside. Oh my god, it looks so beautiful. It is so pretty. Just look at that. मेरे पास एक्चुअली बोलने के लिए कुछ नहीं है. I can just thank you all. Thank you really very much for loving and supporting the channel so much. If you haven't subscribed yet, that is the 65% of you. Kindly subscribe. It really means a lot to me. And ये जो जगह दिख रही है, that is for our silver play button. So अभी नहीं लगा रही क्योंकि I have a twist for you all. I'm going to bake a cake. And not a normal cake. I'm going to bake a silver button shaped cake. So let's try. मेरे लिए भी एक बहुत बड़ा challenge है. Also, side by side, I'm going to answer some of your questions. The most asked question was who is behind the camera. So cameraman, आजा.
Hello Hungry fam, how are you all?
This is my cousin.
My name is Advait and I am cinematographer. I shoot all the videos of our channel.
Today he's going to ask me all the questions.
Wait, not basic questions, वो last video की तरह. I'm going to ask you some fun question today and that you have to answer.
So let's start baking and answering your questions. Here I've already made the cake batter. For the recipe you can follow the rainbow cake recipe. Just I haven't added the colors. So let's pour it into the tray. Till the time our cake is baking, I'll quickly make the frosting.
And you will answer some questions also.
Yeah, that also. But first I'll just whip this butter quickly. Our butter is nice and fluffy. Now you can ask the questions.
Now the question is from Ridhisha. Do you prefer healthy food or a junk food? Oh, what a question.
मेरे को देख के क्या लगता है मैं क्या बनाती हूँ रोज? Obviously junk food.
Deepika Roy, rapid fire round. Tea or coffee?
I actually like both. It depends on my mood. So yes, tea and coffee.
Ice cream or chocolate?
Chocolate.
Cake or pastry?
Cake.
Chips or kurkure?
Oh, that's a tough one. Blue Lays.
Mamta Patel, again rapid fire. Mountains or beaches?
Beaches.
Movies or books?
Movies.
Staying in or going out?
Staying in.
YouTube or Instagram?
YouTube.
Pizza or pasta?
Pizza.
The next question is from Reet Vishwakarma. What is your favorite color?
Blue.
Lipika Biswas. If suddenly one subscriber come to your home, how you will treat him, her?
I am dying for that day. I would love if any subscriber would come here. I would definitely make them delicious dishes and make them taste it. नहीं तो आप लोग बोलते हो मैं ही खाती हूँ मैं ही rate करती हूँ. तो I would love them to rate the food I make. Now I'm going to keep the questions on hold and complete the frosting क्योंकि cake almost bake हो चुका है. So now let's add the icing sugar. I'm going to add it in batches. You can see the mess I'm creating. Just mix it, fold the sugar in. Our buttercream is ready. I'm going to keep 1 tablespoon approximately as a white frosting and approximately 2 tablespoons of this frosting. I'll make dark grey for the mirror effect. And the rest I'm going to try and match the silver color by adding some black food color. I'm trying to match the color. I guess this is the color I want. So I'm going to keep this aside and work on this. We want a darker color for this. I'm going to add nice 2 to 3 drops. Now I'm going to transfer the buttercream in the piping bag.
The question is from Vishwakarma.
Yes.
Your favorite dish in veg?
My favorite dish is pani puri and pizza.
The next question is from Muskan Verma. Who is your favorite Bollywood actor and actress?
Okay, so the favorite actor is SRK forever. मतलब बचपन से I've been a huge fan. And for actress, I think it is Deepika Padukone.
The next question is from Shazipur. Who is your Indian and foreign favorite chef?
For foreign chef, it is Gary Megan, who is a chef from Australia. And for the Indian chef, it is Saransh Goila and Rakhi Vaswani. I've also worked with Rakhi Vaswani and she's such a sweetheart.
The question is from Namish Uppal. What are your hobbies other than cooking?
Actually, I don't know because I turned my hobby into work. So I guess maybe dancing or watching videos.
अरे चल झुट्टी पूरा दिन तो सोती ही रहती है.
Yeah, that too. Because I hardly get to sleep. So whenever I'm free, I just sleep. Our cake is ready. So let's get it out. Our vanilla sponge smells so good and looks amazing, as you can see. Let's remove it from the pan. Let's hope it comes out in one shape. Jai Mata Di, let's rock. Shit. Okay, the tray is out. Wow, look at that. It looks so good. In excitement, I forgot to test if the cake is cooked or not. So let's do it. Okay, it is perfectly. नहीं तो बाहर ही नहीं आता, but ठीक है. समाधान के लिए. Now let's cut this cake into the size of our silver button. Don't worry, इसके ऊपर रख नहीं रही हूँ, सिर्फ approximate size ले रही हूँ. It's fine if it's a bit bigger or smaller. ये बस approximation के लिए मैंने size लिया so that it's easy for me to cut. Let's remove the edges and don't throw it because they are so good. I'm sure Advait is going to eat it right away. है कि नहीं?
Yes.
I'm going to press it a bit because I have to give it like a emboss effect. I don't know if that makes sense, but yes. Once you're done, I'm just going to pipe the darker grey inside.
The next question is from Katyaini. How did you handle negative comments?
Actually, I'm very lucky that I get very little negative comments. और जितना भी आता है, I just ignore it and I delete it as soon as I read it.
Now some rapid questions from Sia Vyas. Vada pav or burger?
Vada pav, I guess.
Food or friends?
Oh shit, very difficult. I think food.
Coca-Cola or Thumbs Up?
Thumbs up.
Winter or summer?
Winter.
Cadbury or Kit Kat?
Ooh, Kit Kat.
Japanese food or Korean food?
I guess Korean food.
So do you like K-pop songs?
I've got many similar questions related to this. Honestly, I'm not an ARMY or a Blink as of now, but if you have any suggestions for me, drop them down in the comment sections. I would really love to watch them. Also, I forgot, I have a very special Korean food challenge coming very soon, so stay tuned for that. Our dark grey color is done. I'm going to pipe the silver color around it. I know this cake is not perfect, but it took me 3 hours to do this finishing, and even the embossing thing we did is gone. So अब मेरे patience खत्म हो चुके हैं and I'm not going to write all this, but I'll just try and write hunger plans. So let's see. Here there is a blank space, so I'll also try to write 100k. Our cake is finally done. I think it looks pretty good now after completing. And I think before winding up the video, I'll answer one last question.
So the last question is from Chance02. Who is your inspiration and strength?
They are my inspiration as well as my strength. This is my mama Naina Tarfe and this is my dadu Prakash Tarfe. They are literally the two pillars of my life. They have supported me in every choices and decisions I've ever made. Truly, my motive is to always keep them happy and make them proud. I would really want them to place this beautiful award on our empty wall. I tried a very different video today where I interacted with you all and cooked as well. So let me know your feedback. Today's shout out goes to everyone who has subscribed to this channel. And if you haven't, please subscribe. It really means a lot. If you want to shout out, all you have to do is subscribe to our channel, follow us on Instagram and comment on this video telling me that you have. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more amazing videos.